Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Dipak Varsani. If you are engineer, field worker, inspector or delivery driver, or you can be anyone who needs to travel so many locations and do something, then this video is for you. Because in this video I will show you how you can plan your trips so you can save your time and fuel. I am a geotechnical engineer and I do so many inspections like compaction test, structural inspection, retaining wall inspection, soil class inspection. So there are so many jobs get every day, like 12 to 20, and I have to visit so many locations in a day. So I'm doing this since last 2 years, and I have to travel a lot, like 3 to 4 hours every day. So to save my time and fuel, I use Google Map, and there is one feature which saves my lot of time and energy to plan my route. So here you can see there are so many items. Right now I'm showing you on computer, but I'm using same Google account on my company's phone and company's tablet. So if I plan my trips here on computer, it's synchronized with the same Google account, and I can access all this work or all these routes or list on my company's phone and tablet. So that's why I'm showing you here on the computer. So the first thing you can do is you can open Google Map. So this is already google.com/maps. So you can go to Google Maps. I already pinned this on my bookmark, and once you open your Google Map, make sure you are logged in with your account which you are using on your phone or your device. So then you can go to saved item, and here you will see the feature called list. So here I have so many list, and each list is for particular day. So you can see 3rd June, 30th May. This is my way to plan my list. So I start with the year, month, and then date, and then prompt run or prompt runs. So this is just for the demo. That's why I have created like this. And you can see there are locations in that list which is private. So but you can make it public. It's up to you. I want to keep all these things private because it's my company's information, but I'm just showing you this for the education purpose. So I'm not going to show you any those locations. Now here, this all the list I'm like creating since last 2 years. So it could be more than 300 or 700. It will keep coming. So there is no limitations in one account. So that's one thing. Now how to create list? You can click on this plus. Make sure you watch this video till the end because there are so many new things which is very simple, but if you don't know, then you might not be able to use it. So please you watch it, or if you are already aware with this feature, you can give the feedback to do it better way. So please watch this video till the end because it's very informative. Now here I'm creating this list again. So just showing you how to create the list. So click on the list, and here you can give any name. You can write down shopping list. For example, me and my wife do cooking. So if she is doing something and something is almost at the edge of finished, then she can add in the same list which is shared with her. So you can write shopping list, or you can give any other name like retail client if you are supplier. So here for me, I'm writing the date because I need to plan for everyday jobs. Now we get these locations, we get these addresses on our online system. So we just follow those addresses and plan our routes to do inspections. Now here I'm just showing you. So I can write 2nd June, and as usual I'm writing same name. So once you create the list, it will open, or if it doesn't open, you can go back to saved. So if it is not open, then you can go to saved and then check your list here. So this is the new list I have created because there is no any places. So you can click here and edit list. Now here you can add locations as many as you want. There is I've tried adding 70 locations in one list, so I don't think there is any limitations. But first let me show you how it looks once you plan your routes. For example, this is the completed list. So I'm showing you show on your map. This is the setting you can choose if you want to show on your map, or you can hide it. So if you show it, then it will look like this. Now for example, you are using your mobile phone or tablet while driving, then you can use this show your locations, and you can see where you are, and then you can decide if you are here, you want to go here first, and then from here to there to second location, or you can go to this location and then here and then here. So how you can plan your trip, it becomes very easy once you put all the addresses or locations in one list. And the good thing about this is you can hide this list anytime and show it anytime, or you can show multiple lists at a time. So on your map, if you show all your lists, it will show all locations here. But sometimes it creates a issue that if I don't hide it any previous day's locations, then I might be going to that location while I have already completed those jobs or inspections yesterday. So if that's the case, I have to hide it before I create new list, so it doesn't create any confusion on next day. So that's why I keep hiding these locations. And let's add few addresses here. Sometimes I face the situations where like the address I have to go is new lot and it is not yet updated on the Google map, but still I can add those locations using coordinates. I'm not showing you exact address for the privacy reason of that particular location or address, but I'll show you how you can add the addresses. I'm just showing you here street name. Let me just edit this list and add video purpose so we don't get confused between two lists. Now I'm adding locations. So first location I will add St. Andrews Drive, I mean this address. So once you add the address, it will start showing it. Now for example, I don't have house number for this address, so if I have selected nearby location, then I will write this is not our location, our address is whatever address, correct address is. So sometimes you have to choose nearby address and then you have to go to that location which is new but not updated on your list. Now let me show you how you can add coordinates of that location. So first we have to save this. So I'm just exiting this list, so it will save it automatic. Now it is saying one place is already there. So just to add coordinates from Google Map in the same list, I will open in another tab because there is no way I can add direct coordinates in the list. So I'll show you with these coordinates. This is nearby location. Actually it is exact address of the lot where I have to do soil inspection, but just for the privacy reason of that coordinates, I have selected nearby locations coordinate. Now you have to search that coordinate here and it will show you where it is this coordinates. Now from here you can see the option save. So if you click here, it will show you all the list which we have created. Now this is the one which we are editing right now. So I'm selecting this. So you see it is saying saved in this list, video purpose, and then we can add note from here or we can go back to that list and it is showing two places. So I will close this and edit list here. Now you can copy and paste your address here. So you realize that you are here at this coordinate for inspection of this. Just for your information, whatever the notes you put here, it will be visible on any device, tablet or phone, but it should be same Google account, so it will synchronize. If you have multiple Google account, you can switch between accounts. I'll show you how to do that. So this is how you can add locations, and now let me show you how you can how it does synchronize on your other device if you are using same Google account. But before that, let me show you which account I'm using. This is the Google account I'm using here. Now let me show you on my tablet. Now this is my work tablet, and then let me open Google Map. So map, and here let me show you which account I'm using. So this is the same account which I have used on my computer to create that list. And if you want to switch, then you can switch, or if you want to add account, you can add account. If you have multiple account, you can switch to that account or whichever you are using, or you can add here that account if it is not there, but that account must be here and it must be active. And then here under you, there are three options at the moment in this user interface. So first one is explore, and then you, and then contribute. So I will go to you, and here this option can be appear as a saved item or saved location, something like that. Now here you can see there are several lists, and for video purpose is also there. So I will click on show on your map. At the moment there are other lists also visible, so let me hide it first. So hide, and then okay, now I have added one extra location in that list. So you can see I'm here at the moment and I'm driving to these 3 locations. So now I can easily decide which one will come first, or if I want to start from the last, then I can start from here. At the moment there are only 3 locations. For today's job, it's 10th July. So let me just try to show you this. Let me first hide this list. And so 10th July on your map. So these are the jobs I'm going to do today. And I have connected my tablet with my Ute Hilux. I'm using Hilux. If you connect here with the system, not with the charger, then it will connect with your system. And if on your phone there is a auto app, then you can connect with the map. So if I'll zoom out, it will show me all the locations on this screen as well. I don't use generally this screen. I use only tablet to switch between the locations, but it shows here as well. So you see, this is how it works. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comment or feedback, if you want to ask any questions, please drop them in the comment box below. If you know better way to use this feature, then you can also share your experience. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.